I was looking on Pinterest today trying to find some unique ideas to upcycle a skirt or even make my own. And I ran across over 50 different ideas to get inspiration from the fantastic creators found on Pinterest. There are some really neat ideas on this list and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes, I'll recreate one of the winning ideas. So I'm kind of curious, in the comments let me know how many videos of mine have you watched. Is this your first one, your second one, your like 100th one, you can't count? And while you're at it, there's a like button, go ahead and hit that. And there's a subscribe button and you can hit that too, and that way you don't miss out on any more creative posts. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post. Now back to your video. done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video. And if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. A super thanks would be really helpful but definitely not necessary. And a thumbs up would help the channel for free so I can continue making videos. I'll have another creative video you're going to love on the screen soon. Go ahead and watch that video and I'll see you there.